Hello everyone, Namaste. Welcome to Tiny World Kitchen. Today we are going to make potato chips. Please like and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Now let's start. Firstly, we are going to make our potato slices. Our potato slices are ready. We have already kept it in water so that it will not get turned into the brown color. We will remove our potato slices from the water. We have kept it on the cotton cloth so that it gets dried up. Now we will press it. Now our potato slices are ready to fry. Firstly, we will add oil in the container. Now we will fry our potato slices. Now we will turn it. They are looking so beautiful and crispy. Our crispy potato chips are ready. Now we will remove it. Sprinkle salt and chili powder. Our tiny potato chips are ready to serve. Thanks for watching.